By the end of this video, you're gonna have a 5-step blueprint that you can implement today to get monetized on YouTube as fast as humanly possible. In fact, you're only one post away from getting monetized on YouTube right now. I just helped this creator get monetized with just a single post. And I hope this creator get monetized with a single post because the blueprint I'm gonna share with you is going to make it incredibly easy for you to get 1,000 followers on YouTube and get 4,000 watch hours so you could start making a full-time living from YouTube. Step number 1, you need to understand the 4 different types of content that you can actually post on YouTube and the role that each pieces of content are going to play. First and foremost, we need to talk about long-form content on YouTube. This content is going to help you get 4,000 watch hours and it's going to help you get more subscribers, but it's not the easiest way for you to get subscribers or get watch hours. Secondly, we need to talk about YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is not going to help you get watch hours to help you get monetized, but it is the quickest and easiest way for you to actually get subscribers from YouTube. Third, we have community posts. Community posts aren't gonna help you get more subscribers. They're definitely not gonna help you get more watch hours, but what they are going to do is they're gonna help you cultivate a deeper relationship with your audience, so you're gonna be able to make more money from them when you do get monetized. And then finally, you have to think about lives. In specific, vertical lives. Vertical lives are by far the easiest way for you to be able to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, because what you're gonna be able to do is take advantage of the shorts format, the fact that YouTube is pushing out vertical lives like crazy, and you're gonna be able to create way longer content. So here's the deal. Let's say you get somebody to watch 50% of one of your videos. Would you rather have a 4-minute video, an 8-minute video, or an hour-long live? Obviously, you'd rather have that hour-long live, and that's why step number 1 needed to be me outlining how each type of content you can create on YouTube actually plays into you getting monetized. Which leads me to step number 2, which are going to be the big 3 things that you need to be focused on if you want to get more views on YouTube, which ultimately is going to help you get monetized. And this comes down to 3 different things the YouTube algorithm actually cares about, and you cannot skip the order in which you think about these. First and foremost, the topic that you are actually posting about, because here's the deal. Some topics, 100 people are interested in, so you get 100 views. Some topics, 1,000 people are interested in, so you get 1,000 views. Some topics, 1,000,000 people are interested in, so you could get 1,000,000 views. You actually need to take into consideration how many people are interested in whatever you're going to be posting about. And in just a little bit, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can actually figure this out. The second thing out of the big 3 is going to be the click-through rate. Now, this is going to come down to several different factors. First and foremost, your title and your thumbnail. Secondly, whether or not people have liked the last video that they've watched by you, because if they didn't like the last video that they watched by you, they're not going to click your next video, which is actually going to impact your click-through rate. And then third, you need to be focused on the actual length of your content, because if somebody's looking for information, they might want to watch a shorter video over a longer video, but this is something you need to take into consideration and actually test. And then the final thing of the big 3 is going to be the average view duration. And your average view duration is going to come down to how you're scripting your videos and how you're editing your videos. So now that you know the type of content you can create on YouTube and how it's going to play into you getting monetized on YouTube, and you also understand how the YouTube algorithm works and what it's looking for, now I need to show you exactly what you need to do to get your content pushed out by YouTube. And to show you how to do this, I actually wanted to walk you through an example. So let's say that we wanted to make a video about affiliate marketing. The first thing I would do is I would come over to a tool like vidIQ, I would come over to keywords, and I would type in affiliate marketing. vidIQ is going to make it really easy for me to know what people are actually searching for. For example, if I do a search for this, we see 1.1 million people are actually looking for affiliate marketing. If I scroll down a little bit, I'm going to be able to see what they're actually interacting with. So this is based off of Pinterest. This is based off of Google search. This is based off of PayPal. So guess what? The one with Pinterest is actually getting the most views. So if we come up top here, we could change this to affiliate marketing Pinterest, and then I'm going to be able to see how many people are actually searching for this. Now this is over 300,000 people. So of the people searching for affiliate marketing, 300,000 of them are searching for this related to Pinterest. So what should I do? I should create a video on this topic, but just doing that isn't going to be enough. So now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to click right here, scroll down, and see the trending videos showing here. So as you can see, there are a few shorts that are doing really good for this. And then there's this video doing well, this video doing well, and there are a few other videos that are also doing well. So what I'm going to want to do now is come over to YouTube and I'm going to type in affiliate marketing, and then I'm going to put Pinterest. And then I'm going to put Pinterest. Now from here, what this is going to do, I'm going to pull up recently uploaded, and now I'm going to be able to see what videos are actually doing the best. And you don't just want to look at how many views a video is getting, because you also want to take into consideration the views per hour that that video is getting. So this video right here, 19 views per hour. This video right here, 13 views per hour. By the way, you won't actually be able to see the views per hour unless you're using vidIQ. And lucky for you, if you go to the pinned comment below right now, you can get started with vidIQ for just $1 for the next 30 days. It's an absolute no-brainer because it's going to help you get monetized on YouTube quicker. So this view per hour metric, really important. This one right here, 19, this one, 13. If we keep scrolling down, we'll see 9, we'll see 2, we'll see these aren't getting that many views. So this video is the best one of most recent videos. So what do you need to make sure that you do? You need to make sure that you're able to effectively compete with this video. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to make a video that's around the same length. You're going to try to improve on the title. You're going to try to improve on the thumbnail. And then you want to actually improve on the video script. And the way that you're going to do that is really simple. Just try to make everything better. Like this one, $937 per day. I'd make it $1,000 per day. This hack made $57,000. I try to make it, this hack made $80,000. So you're basically just increasing the stakes of the video. And then what you do is watch this video through and you would try to create a better video. Essentially, you want to get to the point quicker. You want to give people more information and boom, this is going to help you get more views on YouTube. So long as you're setting up your video's metadata correctly, because this is going to be incredibly important. Now, what I mean by that is that your description and your tags are going to be set up correctly. And if you don't know how to do that, again, you want to go back to just typing in whatever you were looking for. This video got a lot of views, so we're going to click on this. We're going to pause this so that we don't see this. We're going to come under overview right here. We're going to scroll down a little bit, and then we're going to be able to copy all the video tags here. And these are the same tags that you can use in your piece of content that you're going to be creating. On top of that, you need to make sure that you're writing the right description. And lucky for you, again, vidIQ, add keywords right here. You would literally just type in affiliate marketing Pinterest, and then guess what's going to happen? It'll literally generate you an exact description that you can use in your video to boom, increase the amount of reach that you're getting. So what are you waiting for? If you haven't already, go to that pinned comment below and register for 30 days access to vidIQ for just $1. It's an absolute no-brainer, and it's going to make getting monetized on YouTube so much easier. But there are still two other things that you need to make sure that you're doing. The next thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is publishing consistently on YouTube. If you're just getting started on YouTube and you're posting long form content only, I would not post more than 3 times a week on long form content. And there's a very good reason for this. Because if you're posting more than 3 times a week on long form content, if you're just getting started, you're probably making the same mistakes over and over again, not actually learning and creating a good enough video. Because like I shared with you earlier, it only takes one video to get monetized on YouTube, but it needs to be a high quality video. There needs to be a video that people are actually interested in, aka the topic is good. Your click-through rate and your thumbnail need to be good, and then the actual video itself needs to be good. And if you're trying to pump out 3 videos a week, you're probably not going to be able to compete with a bigger YouTuber that has a full-time team. So what you need to make sure that you're doing is putting in enough effort that your video actually does as well as you want it to. Or you could take all that research and everything that you just did and do a vertical live, because then you don't have to edit the piece of content and it's a lot easier to create. Or if you're behind on getting subscribers, what do? Turn that long form piece of content or that live into a bunch of shorts, and boom, this is gonna help you increase your subscribers, because getting monetized on YouTube really comes down to which problem do you need to solve. Do you need more subscribers? Then posting on YouTube Shorts is probably gonna help you get that more quickly. If you need more watch hours, doing lives or posting long form content is gonna help you do that more quickly. And once you're finally monetized, you're gonna wanna make sure you're posting more long form content and more lives, because this is what's actually going to make you a lot of money. Shorts are really great for getting a lot of subscribers really quickly, or for selling an offer, like an affiliate offer or a product that you have, but they're not the best thing just for getting paid from YouTube ads. In fact, shorts right now pay around 5 cents for 1,000 views, but long form content on YouTube pays anywhere from $3 to $20 for 1,000 views. So which one would you rather make? 5 cents for 1,000 views or $3 at a minimum? Well, the choice is going to be up to you, but ultimately, I would suggest that you upload long form content or do more lives, because that's going to allow you to actually make more money. And then that last thing that you need to make sure that you do is you need to make sure that you really internalize the fact that you are one video away from getting monetized on YouTube. All you have to do is make the right video, put in the right effort, do the right editing, and I personally want to help you do that the same way I help this creator get monetized in one post and this creator monetized in one post. In fact, I want to look at your channel and tell you exactly what you should post, what thumbnail to make, how to script out your video correctly, how to edit your video correctly, give you feedback before you even post it so you can get monetized quicker. If that sounds interesting, well, please check out this video right here that explains the 3 different ways that I can help you get monetized on YouTube. I'll see you over there.